Hello guys, review Nubia V70. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB ROM memory. Open box and look completation. In completation we have device in the gold color. Okay, and protected case. Adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Okay, triple camera on the back side. On this side, display 6.7-inch power button and volume buttons, slot for SIM cards, Type-C port, speaker, headphone jack and microphone. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone. We have iOS version 14, Android 14. Okay, display HD resolution 120 Hz and CPU Unisoc T616. Look results is GPU test and CPU test results. Look Antutu benchmark. Okay, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Graphics medium or this graphic level. Okay, close this. And I show you camera. Let's see photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.